Niggas was talking busy by the front door. Niggas was throwing chairs. Everything was going down. 6,000. He got dirt. Please, shit like this. Please, shit like you gotta know.
Jump ahead and slow. Jump ahead and slow. Had to tell my bro, yeah. Had to say the tone. Had to trim my diamonds, yeah. They smoking in the tone. About what you saying, so shut up, let me go. Riding in that beat, let me tell the truth. Ride around these bust down watches on me, I got my blinking stuff. Head number one up on the chart, yeah, it's sugar one. All we do is just go number one. And I just brought it from ends, look, this is the best of the month.
All right, what is going on, guys? Today we're washing the car. It's actually tonight, but we have a meet tomorrow, and Ethan found this super cool self-washing place. First, he's got some tape. We got to tape off these stupid little holes from the old wing. Yeah, so when we wash the car, I don't want like water dripping down in this trunk, because this trunk area in S15s is super prone to rust, if you guys didn't know. But luckily mine is rust free. Guy literally reversed into me. I hate him. Oh my god, guys, this is probably the first S15 it's not insufferable. I'm just saying.
No,
no,
like, this is the first S15 in this parking lot. First S15 in this gas station.
It may be, honestly. Guys, it's dirty. Also, I just want to mention, I don't know if I said it before, but this is probably the first S15 that is at this car wash, okay? We're making history right now. It's so dirty, dude. Holy cow. Ugh. Alright, guys, looks like we got Apple Pay. $5 minimum. They're kind of taxing out here, but at the same time, it saves me the hassle of setting it up at my own house and using that old garden hose I was using to clean my car. So hopefully this will get a little bit better. Oh my god. Guys, I'm wasting time right now. Hold on. Where's the soap? Soap. We're on the clock. Oh my god, guys, turn this on. It's so loud. Hold up with the air drink though. Sheesh. Okay. Yeah, cleaned up pretty nice. Unfortunately, the rear wheels, it's still someone in Japan decided to take a dump in my wheels. I think that's what they decided to do. So I'm probably gonna have to get some polish, some aluminum, or not aluminum, but like metal polish, and spin the wheels and get all this like grime out. I got some of it out, like the big chunks, or like probably the most of the surface, but this stuff is like deeply ingrained in there, man. It's pretty dirty, but I think we can clean those up once it's dry. And yeah, I mean, overall the car looks pretty clean from the front. The rear, you know, we got a little Bondo in the quarters. The rear bumper doesn't completely line up with the quarters, but overall rust-free chassis. All right, guys, we're finished with the car wash. We're now on our way home.
Dude, I bet you this is the first S15 ever in this garage.
Dude, that's not, honestly, I think this is the first S15 in this garage. Whoa, dude. Bayside blue bike.
Blue motorcycle?
Bro, why is everyone's copying me? First, it was Griffin with his R34. Then Ethan with his bike that he's had for a year. It's like, it's so annoying. Everyone's copying my color, man. It's like, you know, I hopped on the wave first, guys. Everyone else is just, they're sheep. They're just trying to follow me in my footsteps.
Diff looks stock, dude. I mean,
it's got a two-way inside the diff.
Inside of it.
Yeah. All right, guys, so first car to be jacked up in here. First car ever. But we're basically, Ethan's going to jack it up by the diff right here. And then we're going to stick a hand polisher in there and basically run the car.
In first gear, slowly.
In first gear. In sixth gear. 120 miles an hour. No, I'm kidding. Basically, guys, we were at Home Depot, and they had the drill one for the polisher. It was $53. So we're like, you know what? This hand polisher was $3. So you guys can do the math. It's basically just much more efficient to do it this way and just get it up on the diff and then spin it with the in first gear. All right, guys, so Ethan used his steel wool. This is way stronger, way more abrasive stuff, and look, It got it way cleaner. Unfortunately, we couldn't get it in here because he didn't want to stick his finger in and annihilate his finger from this valve stem. Dude, honestly, you're kind of fake for that.
Yeah, I am.
I really thought you would have been a better friend and sacrificed your, your finger in order to clean an inch more of my VSKFs, but I guess you're just kind of fake like that. All right, what are we using?
Wad of goo.
On a what?
On a plastic tool. Plastic interior trim.
With duct tape, guys. This is true engineering 101.
Only best here on the Sucha YouTube channel.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, we're innovative. We're innovators, guys.
Innovation at sight.
Nissan innovation. That's a motto. Make sure you guys go 100 kilometers an hour when you're on a single jack stand in your garage and there's like a big wall right there. All right, guys, Ethan's experimenting right now. So you guys know how Griffin changed out his wing on his R34?
He took off the fake GTT wing on his GTR and put a real GTR wing.
Exactly. And the funny thing is Griffin actually copied my paint color because, he had his car first, so he copied me. So this Bayside blue and his car was Bayside blue. Thoughts on his old stock GTT wing?
I like it.
Let me get a light on it. Hold on. Thoughts, guys? Honestly,
Not bad,
dude, honestly, should I buy it off him? Honestly, I'm kind of rocking with it. Wait,
I said you would. I knew it looked
should I
cool.
steal it from him and just not tell him?
He'll never. Yeah.
He'll never know because it was in a box. He'll actually never know because he's never gonna check it. Because he's never putting this wing back on. I'm just like, yeah, I actually bought a Bayside Blue GTT wing in the Bay Area from the other guy that owns a Bayside Blue R34 GTT. All right, guys, so we got one more stock wing to test. The OEM. Oh my god, bro, doesn't even fit, bro. Your Supra is way too big.
It's like the neon spoiler we saw earlier
Dude,
today.
it's a Dodge Neon SRT now.
Yeah, that's not it.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Not it, even
I don't know if I'm rocking with the Supra wing, guys. All right, what's going on, guys? Top of the morning. I'm tired as hell, but we're about to go to the first meet the Sylvia or the S15's ever been to, so hopefully it's cool.
The first time that S15's ever been in that parking lot.
Dude, probably the first time this S15's ever been, yeah, to that parking lot. So we'll see. All right, guys, so my steering wheel was shaking a little bit. It also doesn't feel completely solid. And I was wondering why. And then I look a little closer. Bro, my steering wheel literally cracked. I cracked my steering wheel. I don't think this is a real Momo. I think this is the FOMO. I don't know. It's not a real Momo though, because real Momos shouldn't crack like that. So I'm gonna try to get it to the meet and then slowly drive it home and make sure we don't annihilate and snap the wheel, and then I don't have steering. I pulled up to the meet. It was low-key $20. I kind of got scammed a little bit. Ethan was smart. He parked outside. Like, the meet, it's a little bit dying down. There's still cool cars. Like, don't get me wrong, still cool cars. It's just we came in the tail end, and I think the thing that deterred people most from a meet is paying $20. So I think we want to host a
Our
meet.
people are poor.
Actually,
So
we spend all our money on gas and parts. But I think if we hosted a meet with Born to Die,
I don't see the point. There probably is a point, but why it's in like a paid lot versus like the lots of free lots that are around.
Exactly. I think when we host one, we want to do it in like a big free lot. You know, a big free lot.
Because it's like you just come in to hang out. It's like, I don't know. Like, we could do it obviously, but it's like if there's that barrier to entry, it's like, you know.
It's tough, you know, because we want to be all inclusive, you know? All inclusive. Have everyone come in. Oh, it's on the it's on R33, the G33 wheels. I don't think I've ever seen an S14 this clean. And he's got dude, his steering wheel isn't cracked. That's wild.
Look at the fender, look at the hood. Like,
dude, he's got an S on his hood too. No, everything about this actually,
I like this thing a lot.
It's so clean. Dude, whoever owns this car,
respect.
respect, man.
Sick.
If you own this car, you're sick, honestly. This really beautiful car. And we got the drift missile.
This is what you want to think of as like a S14.
Yeah.
Which is like clean, but then there's that.
And there's that, it's so clean, dude. Oh my god, 2JZ? Whoa. You have that? Wait, oh, no.
That's kind of cool.
This is a NAT. This is a 2JZ GE.
There were a lot of. I like the tin snipped hole so you can see the gear.
You gotta flex. The R34 is kind of crazy. The chrome work, Kawamis, the grams in the back. dude. This thing, oh my god, it's got the same plate as Griffin. All right, what is going on, guys? It is later in the day. My right eye has been killing me all day. I had to change out it for a new contact. I think I need to get my eyes checked. But anyways, we're gonna go up on a little private road run in the S15. It is pinging, but luckily at the bottom of this mountain, we do... What the hell? We do have 100 octane, so it has racing fuel. So I'm gonna put some in. I'm gonna waste a good $50, $60. I guess not waste, but I'm gonna spend a good $50, $60 just to get like 5 gallons worth. It's like $10 a gallon. So I'm gonna become broke today. Nice. That's sick. It just fell out of the thing. That's awesome. I love it when that happens. All right, guys, so we filled up. I got the 100 octane in. I have my GoPro right there. I'll put it on when I'm able to. But the only thing I'm a little sussed out about is the wheel. Luckily, I'm not pulling on it like this. I'm just putting this force on it. So hopefully it doesn't crack through. I'm also not driving that hard for that reason. Also, it's not tuned on this gas, but I did put racing gas, so let's see if it pings. All right, guys, so far, let me do a pull. Okay, yep, it's still pinging up top. So I don't know what octane it's tuned on, man, but they tuned on some not higher than 100. I don't even know. Answer me this: if you guys have higher than 100 octane in your countries, I don't know, because over 5,000 now, it still pings. So gotta keep it under there. All right, what's going on, guys? I'm in the S15. I can't rip it too hard, as I said earlier. It still does ping above, like, the race gas does help it a little bit. I also turned down the boost of wastegate pressure through the Apexi Power FC, but turned it down to 10 PSI. It still knocks over, like, oh, it's actually, yeah, it still knocks over, I don't know what it is or who tuned it before, but I think over 4,000, it like kicks up the timing. I don't know. I think this has variable valve timing. I'm not entirely sure, but it for sure knocks anytime over like 4,000 RPM. So I assume that's, I don't know, maybe the timing advances over that, but it's just my guess. So can't rip it too hard. I'm just going as fast as I can. Also, my steering wheel's not doing too well, so I don't want to snap it and like die in a turn, because that'd be unfortunate, and I wouldn't be able to post this video, and my S15 would be in a wall. So dude, it's actually on rails though. It's got Toyo R1Rs in the front. It's like 200s. Okay, we're not pinging though. Maybe because it's hotter, it retarded the timing. I'm not sure. I'm not a tuner, guys. I'm just a guesser, okay? I'm just a deductor. I'm a logical deductor of possible things that could be happening. But once again, they may not be true, okay? But yeah, like partial throttle here, you guys know, it's like, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. It feels like a solid car. Like, it doesn't really feel like, you guys know, like, well, maybe you guys don't know, but like my old S13 just felt like such a, oh my man, such a bucket, man. It just felt like such a bucket. This one feels far more robust. Like out of all the S chassis I've driven, the S15 feels like pretty robust. Oh, it's raining. It's wet. So I'm actually gonna really slow down because I have 80 treadwears in the rear that are at 20% of its life and a two-way diff. And I'm also in an S chassis, so you guys know how that goes. I'm saying I have templates. Yeah, that was cool. He's chill. Like, I have paperwork. It's just in the mail. It's on the way. So I don't have any proof of it, but it's on the way. So should be good. Oh, that's okay. My car's fully registered and insured. You know, just for the record, guys. I mean, you all saw that, right? Remember when I registered? Remember when I registered and insured it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think he thinks so too.
Yeah, no, definitely. I mean, all right, guys, posted up. We're about to get some food, dude. Car made it. I mean, bumper's still on there. Headlights are still on there. Bumper's still intact. Tires are probably cooked, but yeah, not bad. It did not do bad. Yo, what is going on, guys? Made it in video. Thank you so much. I've been feeling a little down under the weather recently in combination with my allergies and the sickness. Just haven't been feeling that great, but I'm starting to feel a little bit better today. So
But yeah, got to go to that meet. It was pretty cool with the S15. I've been thinking about throwing my own meet along with Carlos or Born to Die. So let me know what you guys think. Those of you who are in California or in the Bay Area, we were thinking about throwing a large meet in like a public free parking space during the day. Probably not at night. It would be cool to do it at night. We're just a little bit scared of, people start doing sideshow stuff or something like that. We'd be liable for it. But let me know what you guys think about that idea, because we've been talking about it a little bit. And then yeah, got to drive the S15 on the private road. Unfortunately, felt a little sluggish. It does need a retune, so that will be hopefully next video, be able to retune it. And yeah, with that, guys, I appreciate all the support. We are gonna have like a move-in sale because we have like a lot of merch in the new merch room, so be on the lookout for that next video or the following video. So once again, guys, appreciate all the support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.